You must imagine this for a second. What if I told you that with one simple kitchen ingredient, you could reduce dark circles, tighten your skin, and bring back your natural glow without spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on fancy creams and serums? Sounds unbelievable, right? Here's the shocking part. Science says it's 100% real. Harvard Medical Review Kemutabik, natural antioxidants found in certain foods can literally repair the skin barrier, restoring hydration and brightness within weeks. And here's the surprising part. One of the most powerful of them is already sitting in your kitchen. Before we dive deeper, make sure you hit subscribe to Clinical Discovery channel, where science meets real results, naturally. All right, let's get practical for a second. Here's how you can make this dermatologist-approved, do-it-yourself mask right at home. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. It boosts circulation and wakes up dull skin. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Now mix in a teaspoon of yogurt for lactic acid. It gently exfoliates and gives you that smooth, glass skin texture. Apply this mask for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Do this 3 times a week and you'll start noticing visible results. Tighter skin, lighter under eyes, and a glow that no makeup can fake. According to Cleveland Clinic, caffeine and protein-based masks help oxygenate the skin, making tired and puffy eyes look instantly refreshed. And Johns Hopkins Dermatology confirms that honey not only hydrates, but also helps prevent bacterial buildup that causes breakouts. So next time you look in the mirror and see those tired eyes staring back at you, don't just pour coffee into your cup. Apply it right under your eyes. Because science says this is your natural eye reset formula, a clinically backed natural solution that visibly reduces under-eye fatigue, puffiness, and dark circles. If you found this remedy helpful, hit like, share it with your friends, and tell us in the comments how much of a difference you noticed.